Hey, what's going on, guys? Ghost from Ghostboard here. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys a quick beginner's guide on the dashboard, exactly what this is all about, and how you can make the most of this tool to gain an edge on the market. So if you go over to ghostboard.net, you will see the dashboard where you can scroll down and see all the different information, and you can also find the button that you need to click to access the actual dashboard. So once you register a free account on the dashboard, you will see this dashboard button, which you just need to click to launch it. So I've got the main dashboard loaded up here. It's a beautiful layout with all the different data points that we need throughout the day for options trading. So the first module on the top left is going to be the flow feed, which is a live flow feed of thousands of options orders throughout the day. Now we have a filters tab where you can filter out the data and tune it exactly how you want. And we also have this tooltips icon, which you can click to access information on every single module available. So these tooltips will explain exactly what the different colors, numbers, and symbols represent. On the right side here, we have the dark pool module, which is showing the live time updates on dark pool activity throughout the day. So we can see which level is being bidded on the most throughout the day. And then on the far right, we do have the news module, which is going to show some real-time updates on live news. Now here in the bottom left corner, we have the Flow AI module, and this is the one that most of you are actually interested in. So the Flow AI module uses AI technology mixed with market sentiment reading, which allows it to alert unusual options activity to us in real time. Now this is an amazing tool for folks who are looking to get an edge on the market using options activity and smart money data. This tool has consistent results every single day, and I'm just going to put up some examples from today that it had. You can see right off open, we had some unusual activity coming into Microsoft, and we did alert the 440 strike calls on Microsoft, which had a really nice payout. And then we saw a similar move with MRVL, which is very rare to see on the options activity scanner, and today it still had an activity alert, which resulted in over 20% gains. I was able to share both of these alerts in real time to the communities, and hopefully a lot of you guys were able to take advantage of it. We also had weekly unusual options activity coming into Amazon, 220 strike calls off the open for 99 cents, which ended up going to $2.22 for over 100% gains. We also have a bunch of other modules here. You have the Gamma module for SPX, SPY, and Net Gamma module available as well. And we also have a net flow feature, which you can see today was very reliable in showing that no puts are being really purchased on spikes, and we saw call activity just trending all day, and price did end up breaking a new high of day in the later half of the day. So if you believe that the Ghostboard dashboard could give you a hand in getting a serious edge against the market using smart money and options activity data, then you really don't want to be waiting. Today is the final day of the Cyber Monday sale. It's going to be ending tonight on December 4th. It is the biggest sale we've ever done on the Ghostboard dashboard. It's 30% off site-wide, and also comes with a free 7-day trial, allowing you to kick the wheels on the dashboard before you have to make any payments. So if you guys want to check it out, go over to ghostboard.net. I have it up on the screen. I'll have it up in the description as well. And if you have any other questions, you guys can reach out to me in the comments or DMs or my email.